Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about whip mats, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Whip mats advertises custom fit, high quality car mats tailored to your exact make and model. The website looks polished and they promise perfect alignment with your vehicle's footwear or footwell and securing panels. But according to Trustpilot 3.6 stars, 95 reviews, not all customers are impressed. The positives are some users report good fit and quality, responsive support team that attempts to assist with issues. While the negatives are fitment issues are the most common complaint, mats that don't align with panels are too small for the footwell. Items arriving damaged and replacements offered but with no refund policy if the mats are considered custom. Some customers are left chasing return details with no resolution. WhipMats does respond with complaints or to complaints with customer service acknowledging issues and sometimes offering alternatives. But there are no refund policy on custom items is a major sticking point for unhappy buyers. Now, WhipMats is not a scam, but it's also not a guaranteed premium product. While some buyers are happy, the lack of reliable fit and a strict return policy can make it a risky purchase, especially if you're expecting showroom quality mats. Proceed with caution, especially if your car model isn't very common. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.